We hear very interesting project from Sri Lanka. A group of SRI Lankan engineers is ready to build a high-performance electric car here in Sri Lanka. I got a chance to visit their facility and have a chat with genius engineers working on this project. They are working in Trace Expert City, a dedicated facility for SRI Lankan innovators. They believe this car will make a mark on global automobile industry. This car is named as Vega, the Speed. SRI Lankan engineers completely handling the design, electronics, software and manufacturing of this car. After looking at this design, you might not believe that we are going to build this car in Sri Lanka. The car is a twin-seater with a sleek aerodynamic look, using a space frame design and carbon fiber body. Curb weight is 1,600 kilograms. This car is powered by two electric motors with combined power exceeding 900 bhp. These motors are interdependently powering rear wheels through a gearbox. Top speed is 240 km per hour and 0-60 time is expected to be less than 4 seconds. This car has state-of-the-art braking system and suspension system. All of these things are designed and developed from the scratch by SRI Lankan engineers. Pretty much every vehicle has a differential system that is managing torque ratio one vehicle is turning. But in this vehicle, there are two electric motors connected to rear wheel independently. So they have developed a digital differential. Its algorithm is taking angle of steering wheel and position of gas pedal as inputs and distribute torque accordingly. Since this digital system, its response is very accurate and instantaneous. So we can expect good stability and road holding from this car. So you will be able to fly through corners with this bad boy safely. These motors are powered with battery array containing 600 LiFePO4 3.3V cells. Usually we are using Liquid-2 cells in smartphones and laptops, etc. But LiFePO4 cells have higher chemical stability, so they can generate electricity safer and for longer periods of time. There are 12 battery packs and one contains 50 cells. They are usually getting heated when generating electricity and that reduces their efficiency. So there is a glycol cooling system to control temperature. When the car is running, voltage of these cells is decreasing. If the voltage dropped below safe margin, the cell could get damaged and unusable. To solve this problem, the Vega has a digital battery monitoring system. It can independently and accurately measure voltages of every cell. If the cell's voltage is dropping below safe margin, the battery pack will be disconnected, and driver will be notified. When you charge the car again, battery monitoring system will pay close attention to that cell and charge it properly. If there is a damaged cell, battery monitoring system can accurately identify it. Then by visiting a service station, you will be able to replace only the damaged cell. This car has an on-board charger. You can fully charge the battery in 4 hours with a standard domestic power supply. And Vega team has designed a public charging station as well. Soon you will see these across Sri Lanka. They have plans for a supercharging unit as well. That will be able to charge 80% of the battery in 20 minutes. Once charged will give you enough juice to go for 240 kilometers. The Vega team has released their first prototype. When Vega hit the market, it will be affordable than other sports cars like Lamborghini and Ferrari. And this car will take the talent of SRI Lankan engineers to international level. We will discuss your ideas about this in the comment section below. You can contact me on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. If you'd like to watch more interesting videos like this, subscribe.